today the class geography lesson number 1, the universe and a solar system. Lesson is finished. The book back writing and a classwork writing. Okay, are you clear now? First of all, in the book work writing, all of you take our book and pencil. Okay, take our book and a pencil. Okay, the universe and a solar system. The first Roman, fill in the blanks. Fill in the first Roman, fill in the blanks. The first one. Okay, take your pencil mark. Answer. Need your handwriting. Need your handwriting. Okay, are you clear now? The first of all in the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay. First one, the universe was formed after dash explosion. Okay, the universe was formed after dash explosion. Okay, answer is, take a pencil mark. Answer is Big Bang. Answer is Big Bang. Okay, B-I-G, Big Bang. B-A-N-G, Big Bang. Okay, the second one, dash is the unit used to measure the distance between two celestial bodies. So, two celestial bodies. Dash is the unit used to measure the distance between two celestial bodies. Answer is light year. Answer is light year. Light, G-H-T, light year. Y-E-A-R, light year. The third one, dash is the center of the solar system. Dash is the center of the solar system. Answer is sun. S-U-N, sun. Fourth one, answer is sun. The fourth one, the world planet means dash. Okay, the fourth one, the world planet means wanderer. W-A-N-D-E-R, wanderer. Okay, the fifth one, take a pencil mark, need your handwriting. Fifth one, dash planet has many natural satellites. Dash planet has many natural satellites. Okay, which planet ma? Jupiter. Answer is Jupiter. Need your handwriting ma. Sixth one, India's first ever the mission of the moon is dash. India's first ever mission to the moon is dash. Chandrayaan first. Chandrayaan first. Chandrayaan first. Okay. Then seventh one. Earth is inclined by dash degree. 23 and half degree. Eighth one. The equator faces the sun directly on dash and dash. Directly on dash and. The question repeat one time. The equator faces the sun directly on dash and dash. Okay, dash and dash. 21st March. 21st March and 23rd September. Okay, 21st March and 23rd September. Okay, then ninth one, at the time of the perihelion, the earth is dashed to the sun. Repeat one time. At the time of the perihelion, the earth is dashed to the sun. Okay, closest. Closest. C-L-O-E-S-E-S-T. Closest. Okay. The tenth one. The tenth one. The line which that divides day and night on the earth surface is terminator line. Terminator line. T-E-R-M-I-N-A-T-O-R. Terminator line. L-I-N-E. Terminator line. Okay, are you clear now? Filling the blanks. First one in there. The universe was formed after dash explosion, Big Bang. Okay. Then second one, dash is the unit used to measure the distance between two celestial bodies. Okay, light year. Then third one, dash is the center of the solar system. Sun, S-U-N, sun. Okay. Then the word planet means wanderer. The word planet means the wanderer. Fifth one, dash planet is a many natural satellite. Jupiter. Next, India, the first even mission to the moon is the Chandrayaan first. C-H-A-N-D-R-A, Chandrayaan. Y-A-Y-A-A-N, Chandrayaan first. Seventh one, Earth is inclined by dash degrees. Okay, 23 and half degrees. Then eighth one, the equator faces the sun directly on dash and dash. Directly on dash and dash. 21st March and 23rd September. 23rd March and 23rd, 21 March, 21st March and 23rd September. 23rd September. Okay, the ninth one. At the time of the perihelion, the earth is dashed to the sun. It is the closest. Answer is the closest. C-L-O-S-E-S-T. Closest. Then the tenth one, the line which divides the day and night. Day and night on the earth surface is terminator line. Terminator line. Okay. Are you understand? The first Roman is the finished. The second Roman. The second Roman, choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. The first one. Okay, the four options selected in the correct answer. Okay. The movement of the earth on its axis is called. Okay. Choose the correct answer. The question number 1. The movement of the earth on its axis is called four options. Okay. Revolution, seasons, rotation and circulation. Okay. Are you clear now? Revolution. Option A, revolution. Option B, season. Option C, rotation. Option D, circulation. The correct answer, option C. Option C, rotation. The second one, the Tropic of Capricorn faces the sun directly on. The Tropic of Capricorn faces the sun directly on. Option: March 21st, June 21st, September 23rd, December 23rd, 22, December 22. The correct answer, second one, option D, December 22. Third one, the galaxy is in which our solar system is found is the four options. Okay, the first one Andromeda, that's option C, the Magellanic clouds, third one Milky Way, then the four D, option D, star burst. Okay, the correct option for the third one C. See what answer? Milky Way. Take the answer, mom. Milky Way. Okay, the four options that tick in the correct options. Okay, tick in the correct options. Okay, fourth one. The only the celestial body where man has successfully landed. Okay, then the option A Mars, option B Moon, option C Mercury, option D Venus. The correct answer option B Moon. Option B Moon. Fifth one, which is the following planets can be float on water. Okay, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The correct answer option B. The correct answer option B, Saturn. Option B, Saturn. Okay. So the next one, C. Then B. C. Circle the following. Circle the add one and one out. The first one, Venus, Jupiter, Neptune and Saturn. Okay, the second one, Sirius, Andromeda, Milky Way, and Magellanic clouds. Magellanic clouds. CLOUDS. Okay. Then third one, Pluto, Eris, Ceres and Io. Okay. Then fourth one, Comet, then asteroids and meteors. And planet. Then fifth one, rover, orbiter, aeroplane, and the space again. Space and the space shuttle. Okay, circle the add one out. Circle the add one out. Take a pencil. You circle the different word. Okay, circle the different word. The first one, Venus, Jupiter, Neptune, Saturn. Okay, this is the inner planet. It is the only one the inner planet. It is the outer planet. This is the inner planet. Okay, then is the Jupiter. Okay, the inner planet. Next one, the second one, Cirrus, Andromeda, Milky Way, the Magellanic clouds. Okay, Magellanic clouds. The answer is the Cirrus. Okay, the next one, Pluto, Aries, Cirrus. The Cirrus is the loop. Okay, the next fourth one, the coming asteroids, meteors, and the dark planet. The answer is the dark planet. The different circle the different word. Circle the different word. Okay, the rover, orbiter, aeroplane, and the space rocket. The answer is aeroplane. The answer is aeroplane. Okay, are you clear now? So the circle the word. First one Jupiter, second one Cirrus, loop, then the dark planet and the aeroplane. Okay, are you clear now? Then the next moment. Instrument. Okay, next one, match the following. D, match the following. Match the following. Okay, the first one, hottest planet. The second one, the ringed planet. And third one, the red planet. Fourth one, summer-sleeping planet. Fifth one, coldest planet. Okay, Uranus. Okay, you write the numbers. Okay, you write the number. Hottest planet, Venus. Okay, hottest planet, Venus. Ringed planet, Saturn. Ringed planet, red planet, Mars. Red planet, Mars. Okay, then red planet, Mars. Third one, fourth one, the summer-saluting planet, Uranus. Coldest planet, Neptune. Coldest planet, you write the numbers right in the corner in you write the numbers. Okay, hottest planet, Venus. Ringed planet, Saturn. Red planet, Mars. Summer-saluting planet in the Uranus. The coldest planet is the Neptune. Okay, are you clear now? Then next one, it is E. Okay. consider the following statement. Consider the following statement. Okay, following the statement. Okay, the answer is Venus that rotates from the east to west. The Tropic of Cancer faces the Sun on the June 21st. Mars has rings around it. It is the choose the correct answer. Okay, correct answer using the codes given below. Option A 1 and 2. Second option B 2 and 3. Option C 1, 2 and 3. Option D 2 only. Okay, option D only. Okay, the correct options. Okay, the correct options is the A. First one. The option is the correct one. A. Okay, 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. Okay. Then the next Roman. It is the second Roman. They consider the following the statement. Earth is called a watery planet. Earth is called the watery planet. The statement the rotates of the earth. The causes seasons. Okay, which is the statements is or true? Then the 4 options. Okay, see the book. Option the 4 options. Okay, first is true. Second is wrong. First is true. Second is wrong. Then option B first is wrong. Second is true. Okay. Then both the statement are true. Both the statement are true. Okay. The statement first and second are wrong. It is a 4 option. You choose the correct options. Okay. Option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Okay. One is true. One is true. Earth is called the watery planet. Yes. Yes. It is true. Okay. Then second is the rotation of the earth causes the season. Okay. Not for the day and night. Okay. Are you clear now? The answer is option A. One is true. One is true. Then second is wrong. Second is wrong. Okay. Then name the following in the F option. The Roman is the F. Then name the following. The glister of the stars. Glister of the stars. Okay. Answer is galaxy. Answer is galaxy. First one. The second one, the nearest galaxy to the solar system, the Magellanic clouds. Okay. The third one, the brightest planet. The brightest planet, Venus. The brightest planet, Venus. The fourth one, the living sphere. Okay. Biosphere. Fifth one, the year which has the 366 days. Okay. Answer is leap year. Okay, are you clear now? The first one galaxy, second one magnetic cloud state, third one Venus, fourth one biosphere, fifth one leap year. Okay. The book work is finished. Take for class or note. Okay. Write the new page. Geography lesson number 1. The universe and a solar system. Write your handwriting neatly, ma'am. Okay. First of all, in the class work writing. Okay. The first of all, in the top of the page number, geography lesson number 1. Write the new page. Okay. Write the new page. The universe and a solar system. solar system. The class was writing. Okay. Then first one in the first Roman, answer the following. Answer the following. Okay. Then the first question. Name the inner planets. Name the inner planets. Okay. The inner planets. The inner planets. Name the inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Earth and Mars. Okay. The first question, name the inner planets. Name the inner planets. The inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Okay, it is the first question is finished. The second question is the space of the sun places. Okay, leave the place. Okay, the second question. What is perihelion? What is perihelion? Okay, perihelion. Perihelion is the earth. Is the earth closest portion, closest to the portion to the sun, okay. The third question, which celestial body shares its orbit with others. Give an example. Examples. Okay. The third question. You write the class of the first point. The dwarf planet. Share their orbits with others. Okay. The second point. This includes Pluto. Okay, which is constrained on its orbit by the gravity by the gravity of Neptune, and a shaft and shaft is orbital neighborhood with Kuiper belt objects. Okay, it is the three questions is the classwork. Answer the following. Okay, then the next one, the difference between. Okay, then the second Roman. Okay, the second Roman. Answering detail. The first question, distinguish between inner planet, inner and outer planet. Okay, then inner planet. Another one, outer planet. Now write the tablet column. Okay, the first point, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Earth and Mars. Okay, it is the inner planet. Outer planet, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Neptune, it is the outer planet. Okay, then the second point, they are comparatively smaller in size. Okay, then they are huge size. They are huge in size. Okay. Then third point, they are composed of rocks. Okay, the surface of the inner planet, inner planets inner planet has mountains, volcanoes, and craters. Okay, most of them, the outer planet, most of them made of gases, gas. Okay, and the distinguish between inner planet and outer planet. Inner planet Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Outer planet Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. They are the comparatively smaller in size, huge size. It is composed of the rocks. The surface of the inner planet has mountains, volcanoes, and craters. Most of them are full of the gases. Okay, in only one point, the fourth point. Okay, the fourth point. None of the inner planet, planets have rings orbiting them. Okay, the fourth point. None of these inner planet have a rings orbiting them. Okay. The outer planet, all of the outer planets have rings orbiting them. Okay, the fourth point, none of the inner planets have the ring orbiting them. All the outer planets have the rings orbiting them. Okay, Arithya, now then class book is finished. Okay, the lesson number 1, the universe of the solar system. Okay, they finish the lesson. Go to the next class. Okay, thank you students.